All right. Hey, guys. Nathan Cassidy and Andy Tao here with Central Iowa Farm Store. Just want to take a minute here and explain to you our spring service special we got going on Kinze planters. We're going to offer you a free inspection if we perform any service work through our shop. We're also going to give you 10% discount on parts and as well labor. Now I'm going to hand the mic off to Andy Tao, and he's going to give you something to look for on your Kinze row units.
Things we need to look for is your disc openers, your inner scrapers. Here, this is a high-speed planter, which you can go in your monitor, or we can go in your monitor and look and do some tests. Make sure you're not missing any flighting or belts in your speed tube. Need to look at your scrapers, look at your dog bone. Need to look at your closing wheels assembly, your bushings and tires. Look at your arms. Then we come up here to the meter. Need to look at your meters and your seals, make sure they're good. Check your knockoff wheels, and need to look at your seed meter motor gears.
Well, we've had plenty of outtakes with these two individuals, so what we couldn't get through was come to Central Iowa Farm Store, come to those who know, come to Andy Tao, come to Nate Cassidy, come to the rest of the guys in the shop for everything tractor or planter related. Remember that planting is the most important part of your farming throughout the year. We got to plant that seed to harvest that seed, so come make sure your planters are top notch.